How to add visual enhancement in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and head to the Color tab at the bottom. This is where most of the visual enhancement happen. You'll see a timeline of your clips and a set of color wheels. These wheels help adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights of your footage. Next, begin with the lift, gamma, gain, and offset controls. These are found under the primary wheel section. Use lift to adjust the shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain to control the highlights. Now, don't forget to tweak the offset. This affects the overall brightness and color of your entire image. It's great for setting a consistent tone across your clip. After that, boost the saturation just a bit under the gain section. This helps the colors pop without looking artificial. A slight bump often makes a huge difference. After that, use the curves tool for more precise adjustment. The custom curves section allows you to fine-tune the brightness and color of specific areas in the image. Create an S-curve to give your video punchier contrast. Now, go to the OpenFX library and drag effects like glow, sharpen, or film grain onto your node. These effects enhance the look without needing complex adjustment. Just tweak the settings slightly to match your video's style. Lastly, consider adding a LUT for a consistent look. You can apply a built-in LUT or import your own. Go to the LUTs panel, choose one, and drag it onto your node. And that's it. Now you know how to add visual enhancement in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.